So hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. I just want to share a really quick video about how my garden is doing. I've finally gotten around to doing a lot of it, me and my husband. So I have cilantro, the Italian oregano. These have to be planted in this right here. I have this planter right here that is ready for my grown onions that we did in the house. I have my potting bench right here that my husband made me years ago. All these seeds, excuse me, that need to be done. These are going to be for my Thai basil, which are right here. They need to be done. Here are my red potatoes that are getting ready to. They're going to go into a bucket. And then I have, well, here. I finally got my 9 plants from Burpee, and these are 9 different varieties, and they're all tomatoes. Don't know where I'm going to put them because Burpee kept putting me off and off and off and telling me they didn't know when it was going to arrive. So I went ahead and I got the one tomato bush, and I have another one. Now I have 9. Yeah, because I have 3 tomatoes. I have 12 different varieties of tomatoes, guys. So I have a lot of tomatoes. Right here is a crookneck squash, and I have one coming in right there. So that's the first fruit of my garden, other than the spinach, which I've already picked. This is a Black Beauty zucchini that I watered last night, and I think I burnt the leaves. So the flowers are still good. It's still got buds on it, so it's doing okay. These are Mexican zucchini. These are really good. Forgive me, I am not sick, but because I'm out here in my garden with the orange tree so close to me, and it's budding, it really gets to me. And then next door has I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a quince tree? I don't know. I have a loquat tree. I need suggestions for loquat recipes or something because I've never had one before, and I love them. They're really, really good. I want to make jam with them. But if you guys have any recipes for loquat anything, loquat jam, loquat pie, I don't know what to do with them. It's all new to me. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. This whole row right here is spinach. We eat a lot of spinach at my house. So we have tons of spinach, and we just pick the leaves as they mature. Usually about that size, right there. And the dirt here is clayish, I guess. This was an old farm ground years ago. So it's got a lot of really good fertilizer and stuff in it. Oh, here comes a helicopter. Oh, there we go. Let's get that. There we go. Looks like a military chopper. Pretty low. Okay, so anyway, the clay here is kind of clayish, or the land here is kind of clayish. So we have amended it with soil, and I still think it needs more. It dries out and it looks like clay. So never had a garden quite like this. But back there are my bean plants. When they come in, I will get a lot of those, tons of those to can. These are eggplants, and these are the first time I'm going to be growing eggplants. My parents used to do it. I have never done it. So, and I think I put them too close together. So you guys can comment on that. I know that they're too close together, and they're going to need trellises. But we're already working on that. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. I'm really sorry, guys. So I have green peppers. I bought a 6-pack of these. The snails really like them. So we have 2 green peppers left, which is this one and that one. Yeah, kind of irritated me. So these are my Anaheim peppers, which are like hatch chilies, which I love. They're so good. I roast them every year. The time is coming up soon. Hopefully they'll have them in the store again. I'm really hoping. I have some that are frozen from last year. I use them all the time to make chili verde. Really, really good. Hatch chilies, if you guys can get them from New Mexico, they're so good. So I'm going to grow Anaheim peppers. They're the same thing, but they're not, they have a different taste. The hatch chili has a different flavor to it. So these are Serranos right here. And then here is my peas. So I just planted these yesterday, and I have some buds on here. I will show you guys. There's a bud there that's gonna open. Now I need a trellis for this. Here's a bunch of buds. We're working on a fence for these. These are all gonna bud. They're all gonna be peas. There's some on here, several on here. And then I have 300 seeds that I got from Burpee that was a surprise to me too, because they said that they were out, and they actually refunded me and then recharged me because they were in, which was totally weird. So these are my cucumbers, and this is my cucumber fence. I have grown cucumbers on this fence for the last 10 years, I guess. I went to the dollar store over here about a week ago because I knew that they had these plastic fences. This is a wrought iron one, a really nice one. But they have these plastic fences that I thought, okay, well, they'll do. And I can do my peas on them. I could do my beans on them, whatever. And it's not an essential product, so it was roped off. So I am waiting for tomorrow when I think they're going to open that. And I will be getting a bunch of fences. So here is my cherry tomato plant. The black cherry tomato. They are so amazing, you guys. So good. I'll show you close up in a second. This is one of my eggplants, and it's being eaten by snails. Okay, so yeah, we have a lot of snails here. This is my basil. It's going to be cut back, and it's going to be put into a pot, a bigger pot. This is my yellow cherry tomato plant, and then we have a lot of buds on here. No tomatoes that I see yet, but lots of buds. So in this, I actually have a tomato ripening. There's actually two in there, but you really can't see it. But we have to get a tomato tree for this. There's a lot of tomatoes on this plant. This is the one that was in the bucket. Oh, another one. Wow, okay. I'm wondering if that's the same one or another one. I wonder if they're circling. Definitely military, and I'm right near a base, so that's about right. Anyway, so my tomato, these are black cherry tomatoes. It will produce a ton of tomatoes, and we usually just eat these. I do the Italian summer salad with these, with my fresh basil once it gets going. You can also do it with Thai basil. That'll be really good too. Oh, excuse me. So there you go. One more thing. I'll show you some of what we got. So these are baby loquat trees. So we are branching out, and we potted some cuttings from the loquat trees so that we can take them wherever we go. So that's what these are. So we're going to have 2 trees, probably more than that. And go over here. If anybody knows what Tillandsias are, we have a lot of Tillandsias, and these are going to be covered with Spanish moss. We had a bunch of Spanish moss at the other house that we left there. We just didn't have time to take it. So we have all of this here, and all of this everywhere. I'll show you the ones that we bought today, but here is my loquat tree. I don't know if you guys can see it. This thing is full of loquats that are going to be ripe probably next week. And these right here are full. Let's see if we can get here in here. These are full already. These are ripe already now. There we go. These are actually overripe. Some up there. Yeah, there's a ton of them. So I need recipes for these. Okay, so here's some more Tillandsias. My husband's been growing these for at least 20 years that I know of. So here's what we bought today. we have some new kinds of Tillandsias that he doesn't yet have. Oh, there's a bee out here. Goodness. And we also have some Spanish moss. Something that we took very little of with us. And kind of bums us out because we had 20 years of Spanish moss and just kind of left it when we moved. Really bums me out. We took a little bit, but we didn't get a whole lot. So that's what we have for now. And that will go on the trellis back there. So, yeah, we're getting there. Making this a home. Slowly but surely. We have the lights up. I'll have to take you guys out here at night. Looks really awesome. Teeter-totter for the kids, of course. What Nana would be without a teeter-totter for the kids, right? Can't do that. So, here's my garden tour for 2020. I hope everybody is happy and healthy. And if you're gardening and you have any questions, please let me know. If you're canning and have any questions, let me know. Dehydrating questions. I will be here and doing videos regularly for the next 4 days. And then it's going to be kind of hit or miss. Probably every other day I will be doing videos, but I will keep up with the videos and tell you guys how I'm doing with the gardening. Still going to be canning because I need to can year-round for my family. That's something that I do no matter what I'm doing. Going to be doing a lot of family history work pretty soon, so going to keep busy with that. And there you go. So I will see you guys soon. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming. Lots of gardening, lots of planting, lots of cooking, canning, dehydrating, and just overall recipes. And things to do with different cuts of meat. I've noticed that I'm getting a lot of likes and stuff on the videos that I'm posting for meat and things to do with it. So if you guys want to see more of that, just let me know. I'm actually going to get some more tomorrow. Probably some more ground beef. I'm not sure what else. Just depends what they have because we're limited. So I need some kind of beef. Everything else, chicken, pork, steak, regular ground beef, we're caught up with. I need good ground beef, like top ground sirloin. Other than that, I think we're good. So there you go. My gardening and daily update. Please like this, comment, and let me know that you guys are here. And if you have any suggestions for anything, I am open to suggestions, and I do answer every single comment or every email at thecanningnana@gmail.com. Just email me. I'm very open to answering and talking to any of my viewers. That's what I'm here for. I don't just make the videos to make videos, guys. I make them because I want to make them and because you guys are suggesting the things that I do. Also, we are at, I don't even know, 4,100 and something. So when we're at 4,500, so share the channel if you can. When we're at 4,500 viewers, I am going to be doing a huge giveaway of ball canning books or dehydrators. Yes, dehydrators and dehydrating guides. So share the channel as you wish, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, whatever. Please get my name out there, and let's build this together. And you guys will benefit because it's the ones that have been with me from the beginning or new subscribers that have stuck by me with all of the intermittent videos that I've done in between kind of life that goes on. You guys are going to be like double entered, and I know who you are. So yeah, we'll just go from there. And no favoritism. There'll be a separate giveaway for them and a separate giveaway for my new subscribers. So every new subscriber that's watching this, please subscribe, okay? like and comment the video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. So if you comment, I know who you are. I've gotten to know my viewers along the last 3 years. Can't believe it's even been that long, but it's going to be 3 years in June. So let me know that you're here, and we will talk. Okay? So good giveaways coming up, guys. I will talk to you soon. Have a great Thursday night.